Hello everyone, my name is Olivia Payne and I'm doing a Screencastify on Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is a fun, fast, and free, easy to use screen and web recorder. It is used by millions worldwide. There's a choice of using the free recorder or the deluxe and edit for $1.50 a month. All new users must download the software to launch Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, when you come to Screencast-O-Matic, this is the homepage. The first thing you would do is select sign up. It's free. It is free to sign up, but remember, you can choose your package, and they have a package for $1.50, and they also have a super package for $4. That's super amazing. Okay, you can sign up with your Google account right here, or you can type in a specific email and put your email right here and select sign up. After you select sign up, you will come over here and start recording for free. After selecting start recording for free, you will launch the free recorder. And you'll have this little download launcher thing, and that's how it starts. Okay, but what I am going to do is I'm going to come over here and pull up my personal Screencast-O-Matic. As you can see, I have selected the email address for this course. So this specific Screencast-O-Matic that I'm under is for this specific course. Okay, when I come over here, I select start recording for free. And then I launch the free recorder. As I'm launching the free recorder, this will come up. I will select the recorder that is downloaded to my computer, and I'll wait a little while. And this fun little box will come up. Recorder will record anything that happens in this frame. This is your recording frame. You can adjust it as you see fit. You see I'm playing with it. I'm going to make it large again. You can record as much of your screen or as less of your screen as you see fit. Along with recording the screen, you can use the webcam, and you can use both at the same time. As you see in this example, this young lady is using her webcam and her screen recorder, and she has the box, the recording frame, pulled in some so you can only see what's necessary. Another fun thing with the with the size, you can come right here, and there are some default settings that you can choose if you would like to choose a default setting. For the microphone, you have this fun little narration thing, and it basically tells you how soft you're talking or how loud you're talking so that you can visualize what people can hear, and you can make sure that you're talking loud enough, or you can see that you need to enhance your volume so that you can make sure that everyone can hear everything that you're saying. Now, along with these fun things, there are some more fun things that come with Screencast-O-Matic. I'm going to go ahead and select the record button, and I'm going to make sure that I'm talking loud enough so that I can stay in the high greens or the oranges or the reds. Now, if you're in the reds, you just may be talking a little bit too loud, but that's just fun. A fun thing to do when you're recording. Okay, so you select record, 3, 2, 1, go, and now it is recording my entire screen and everything that I do. Along with it recording, I'm going to show you some more fun things that come with Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, they have these cool tools for education and for work. Teachers, we will love this. For education, they have solo plans for teachers and plans for districts and universities. These solo plans for teachers are awesome. I know we love using flipped or blended classrooms, video announcements. I don't really like to do lecture capture because I'm not a lecturer. I don't like to talk a lot. So I love doing video announcements. I love doing the teacher-student mentorship and doing student assignments. And now that they have the updated package, I'm going to update my package so that I can submit straight to Google Drive, and it will automatically drop to all of my students instead of doing a middleman of saving it and then uploading the links to Google Drive. So that's another fun and cool thing that Screencast-O-Matic has. And as you can see, it is recording my screen. I can monitor my time. I can pause it. I can continue the recording by pressing the button. I can preview what I have seen. What I've said and I've recorded. I can choose to delete everything, or I can select done. So if I select record, 3, 2, 1, it's going to go back to recording for me. I'm going to come over here for work. because teachers, we can use the work link for creating lesson plans and for plans for teams. So when you're planning across the curriculum, you're doing grade level or subject area planning, this is really awesome. They also have training and continuing learning, demos and marketing, and I think those are good for when you're presenting at different conferences or conventions, or you're doing professional development. This is an awesome tool to use. It's very, very cool. Let's go look at the plans real quick. As I was telling you, they have the Solo Deluxe and the Solo Premier. It really depends on what you like. You can do the Solo Deluxe and have fun things like full video editing suite. You can add the system audio drawing tools. You can make recordings longer. You can remove the watermark as well. Some cool things with the Solo Premiere is the security backup recordings, full video editing, branded ad-free sites, advanced sharing and collaboration, which is really good for teachers and students because we live in a world where we collaborate all the time with technology. Okay. Another thing I would like to show you real quick, under support, I'm going to scroll down to tutorials, and right here it talks about uploading and saving to video. If you have the free version, the only thing you can do is save the video file, upload to Screencast-O-Matic, or upload to YouTube. But if you decide to get the Deluxe or Premiere, you can also upload to Google Drive, Dropbox, and Vimeo. And this is awesome because you have 3 more tools that you can use, and you will eliminate the middleman, and it's so quick and easy. I love this about Screencast-O-Matic. Now, I'm going to come over here. I click record, and to upload and finish, I will press done. Once I select done, you see over here it says save as video file, upload to Screencast-O-Matic, or upload to YouTube. You can choose whichever one you want to do. If you upload to Screencast-O-Matic, it will automatically save it, and then you can take and embed the link from Screencast-O-Matic to YouTube so that you can make sure you save it. You always press publish, and it will take time, and it will show you the updated process on publishing. You can always go through and rename your recordings. Also on Screencast-O-Matic, you come back to your home page, your uploads. Everything that you recorded will be right here. I have done a few recordings today trying to make this perfect. I started out trying to record on Screencast-O-Matic and it would not work. So I used the Screencastify to make sure I could manipulate Screencast-O-Matic to the fullest. And the recording that I've done is here, and I can always come here, right here, and edit it. If I select it, it'll come up. This is my recording. Link embed. And here are your links. I'm going to select done. Well, I hope you enjoyed this Screencast-O-Matic. I thank you for your time and your patience and for listening to my Screencastify on Screencast-O-Matic. I hope I've encouraged you to download this cool tool and utilize this cool tool in your classroom and in your specific schools because it's so cool and totally awesome. Thank you.